Clearing an equation means multiplying both sides of equation by the least common denominator, which I write as LCD, or it is also called as least common multiple, so that the equation is made simple with without fractions. So we say that clearing equation means multiplying both sides of an equation by the least common denominator or the least common multiple, so that the equation is made simple without fractions. Now let's see how to clear this given equation. We have this equation 1/4 plus 1/2 x equals 3/8. Let me copy that. We have 1/4 plus 1/2 x, and this equals 3/8. First, we find the least common multiple or the least common denominator of the both fractions on both sides. So we have the denominators 2, 4, and 8. The least common multiple of 2, 4, 8 is 8. So we have to multiply both sides by this number 8. So let's do that. It is 8 times of 1/4 plus 1/2 x, and this side also we multiply by 8. 8 times of 3 eighths. Now we use the distributive property, that is we multiply 8 with the terms inside the bracket. So it becomes 8 times of 1/4 plus 8 times of 1/2 x, and this equals 8 times of 3 eighths. Now we can do some cancellations. That is 8 goes into 4 as 2 times, and 8 goes into 2 as 4 times, and 8 goes into 8 as 1 times. So let's simplify this. So we have 2 times of 1 is 2, plus 4 times of x is 4x, and this equals 3. Okay, so we can see that we get this equation which is without the fractions. So we see that this is the equation without the fractions, and this means we have cleared the equation. Clear the equation, or otherwise we can say that clear the fractions. Now let's solve for x from this one. I subtract 2 from both sides, so we get 4x equals 3 minus 2, and this equals 1. So we have this equation 4x equals 1. Divide both sides by 4 to get x. So this has to be divided by 4. So therefore we get x equals 1/4. So we have solved for x after clearing the equation. That is, the value of x equals 1/4. Let's check this by substituting into the original equation. So we have x equals 1/4. The original equation is 1/4 plus 1/2 x, and this equals 3/8. Let's plug in x equal to 1/4 into this equation. We have 1/4 plus 1/2 times replace x by 1/4, and this equals 3/8. So on the left side, we will simplify. This is 1/4 plus these two denominators will get multiplied. We have 1/8, and this equals 3/8. Now we have to simplify the left side fraction. Here the common denominator is 8. So I multiply and divide the first fraction by 2 plus 1/8, and this should be equal 3/8. So this 2 will get multiplied. 2 times 1 is 2, and 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1/8, and this equals 3/8. We now have a common denominator on the left side fractions. So I can put a common denominator plus add the numerators. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have 3 eighths equals 3 8. And this is true. And this means the value of x equal to 1/4 is correct.